Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can choose the emoji status on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on your profile, which you see on the top right hand corner. The next thing you want to do is click on the emoji button right under the profile picture option. Go ahead and tap on this emoji button and you can see the emoji status where you can express yourself with emojis. So this is how others will see your profile picture as, and it will come up with an emoji. So you can use this type of emoji over here. Let me just go ahead and click on this football emoji as I love football. Then I'll go ahead and click on done. After a while, you can see that the emoji will be changed. Let me show this process to you once again. First of all, what you need to do is click on your profile. Then after you click on your profile, click on this emoji icon. If you want to remove the emoji, you can do that as well. Or else you can select the emoji which you want. It will be automatically displayed if you click done. So go ahead and click on done. And there you go. This is how easy it is to choose or change your emoji on Kik Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.